Okay, so situation, intention or motivation, action, and consequence. Let's kind of explore these a little bit and see how you prioritize each of these things when confronting some sort of an ethical dilemma or situation. All right, so here's our first one. Danielle's roommate, Tasha, asks her if she thinks the short story Tasha has written is any good. Danielle says it's wonderful, even though she really thinks it's awful. She lies because she doesn't want to hurt Tasha's feelings. But based on Danielle's encouragement, Tasha reads the story to a writing group and is thoroughly humiliated, and she never trusts her roommate again. All right, so you know the situation here. Initially, it's pretty low stakes, and Tasha's intentions seem to be good. She doesn't want to hurt her friend's feelings, her roommate's feelings, so she fibs, right? The proverbial white lie. But the consequences of this white lie for Tasha are pretty bad, right? She gets humiliated, maybe loses confidence in herself as a writer, and loses trust in an important relationship with her roommate. So when you're assessing Tasha here, did she do something wrong? And if so, what was the wrong thing that she did? Was the wrong thing that she did tell a lie? Is it never appropriate to tell a lie? Ever? Is lying always inherently wrong regardless of what the circumstances? Or do you think that in some situations where the stakes are low, like they are here, that the white lie is actually morally permissible? Is that an action that you would accept? Or do you look at the situation and think, sometimes maybe lying's appropriate, but you can see here, Danielle, that this lie resulted in some pretty bad consequences for Tasha. And therefore, because of what happened as a result of what you did was the wrong thing, right? Is it the consequences? Think about it this way: if Tasha had never read the story to the group, never got humiliated, and therefore never lost trust in Danielle, would Danielle's actions have been okay? If Tasha had said like, "Oh, I'm so glad you think my story's wonderful. I've decided I don't like it that much. I'm just going to put it in the paper shredder." Would Tasha have been off the hook morally in that situation? Or would she have still been wrong because there's something about lying, regardless of the situation, that makes it wrong? Or again, do her good intentions sort of compensate for the unforeseen negative consequences? So as you're looking at these four things and you're looking at this situation and you're judging Tasha, see if you can zero in on one or two of these four elements to locate or to ground your judgment of Tasha's actions and why you think what she did was either morally permissible or immoral, and identify those and mark them so that you can see if you're consistent in other scenarios when you're evaluating these four aspects of a dilemma.